Step 1. In a browser, write DeepMotion. Open the site and quickly observe its features. Step 2. Create a free account, filling in all the fields and click on Get Started. Activate your account by going to your mailbox. Choose a password. Step 3. Log in with identifiers. Step 4. Creation of a 3D animation film. Import a video whose human movements will be reproduced. For your first creation, you have no choice but to choose the robot. But later, you can choose a character or your avatar. If you wish, you can download this video with the moving robot, but we will continue the steps to produce a video with your avatar. Step 5. Creation of a character. To create your 3D avatar, you will need your smartphone to scan the QR code. You must take a selfie and take 3 photos of your head. One from the front, and the other 2 slightly from the side, on each side. For demonstration purposes, I chose actress Kate Winslet instead of taking a selfie. You can choose her hair, eye colors, clothes, etc.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Step 6. Creation of a background. Choose the background you want. Step 7. Download your video in MP4 format. And there you have it, you have produced in a short time a video with your moving avatar. But you can also choose another picturesque character. Have fun! If you liked this tutorial, subscribe and like the video. Thank you.